Hi everyone, this is Esperanza from Desay. We are at the booth E210 from the ISE 20. So this is our A poster for advertisement. We have it both indoor and outdoor, 1.9, 2.5. We have double size and double face, super good for retail and malls, shopping centers, etc. The ones you see single here are the same at the wall. It has several ways of installations. You can mount it, you can put it on the wall. You have 0 degrees, 5, 10, 15. So be sure to contact us if you want more. Here you can also see fixed installation products. It's on the wall. You don't need any kind of a structure. You can install it just with the screws. This is a 2.6. For fine pitch, very small pitch, we are producing it at the moment from 0.9, and so we will have 0.7. This is our TVB series 1.5. So if you come closer, you can see it's 4-in-1 mini LED. Very thin cabinet, just 4 centimeters, and very, very lightweight. For more details, please visit us at desayoptos.com. Nice to see you.